Mami ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching ebusua for mesro so won subscribe ya mesro no wa subscribe me notification bell on so for more news ebusua for nana janto a we journalist wa budua wa bo NDC for obo bema omo eye galamsey wa bo mudua o kire se nyame betu omo ka omo mbaka omo nananom ka
say no cry the DC no cry no yebi DC na no watwamu no ya danso galamsey no na edidi ni trima omunyaaye bosome ena sese omude ba le bosomche a sese omuse dimo na sankrofo we was sister nimu a wo so ya no pa you are thinking about your party as against Ghana inti eba me enka how many times enka say NDC for ni bi nso ya galamsey asemwe meka yenye ne se NDC fo ne ba ya no muso share galamsey ase ampanyufo NDC mpanyufo ebi asase ye galamsey nyame betua moka God will punish you guys hwe de mo ye on mine no ho ye ka mo mfi no God will deal with you, God will punish you nyankopon betua moka me say NDC ni bia panyi bia ene oyonko ye de na tum 20 years hwe would said I'm telling you NDC ni bia we are involved in galamsey hwe you die before your time obe wu nti ase because yen kokoma on mine no yemfa ye krensi wo enye campaign say na Akufo-Addo ne nkrofo ye galamsey enti Ghana fon tuntia no na wo nso agye atum say yes omu ye galamsey na ade atia wo ba ya wa benti wa hyase ye galamsey God will punish you nyametua woka NDC panyi bia na wo hye galamsey ase minka small scale mining be say NDC ni bia on sase galamsey ase awa you when God will punish you unya hoto God will deal with you ahoto unya hoto anybody with the politics ebe mu na Akufo-Addo time ni e ka galamsey a uji tuma wonsu ye be God will punish you, you never find peace because my catch so bia o saying so no ye wudini do chance asigu uye wudini ahemfo no kura de menka ho asem nananum ni mu abedi nana wahemfo nananum abedi sa wo ye ohene na wa hye se galamsey be koso a sabi konongo enti na mebusa ye nananum ani die kwan so samre na ye kan wasem e kan wasem minia iraso sasaredonko multimedia konongo ya yehu documentaries ayehu documentaries enti nananum ante manso nananum munteye adanse nananum munte sefi munteye nananum munim ho. So what happened?
Na ampa nana janto we de mefo so be se Ghana fo mpanifo ni bi yakopon betua moka because the rate at which I hwe nsase na nsu a say wo Ghana ha che say asase ko ho mo etu na che say amena port as e kwan ya port wo di da so tissue power NDC for oba ban we mu NDC ni bia owo power or assemblyman MMDCs DCs ministers MPs obia e wo galamsey site a otu obia wo site a otu galamsey wo ebusuafo galamsey under his excellency John Dramani Mahama the second coming we no e works na time so ni na omu hu no but chairman untimi do omu etimi ejeli no 20 years yenka se chairman untimi jeli omu ejeli no enye se mra na eye adwuma but ye pese ye catch NBC for se mu etimi ejeli chairman untimi dia galamsey na stop it still na is ongoing enye kra nti se na na janto e bomundua mefo no so na se etumi de snap na nkosua e bomundua na enyamo aka be kumu ina atu agu ni asanso apempen fufufu because mo ye wicked NDC for mo opposition mo de campaign e mo de galamsey ye campaign aka mo ba ye nka mo de mo ba ye na ka mo de mo ba ye kra de galamsey nsese nke ye gubi but Africa na ya time me say let's give time some time be the power Ghana ha no na NPP for so ye ka kire mo say nye say bia NDC buy na omo echiche nkrofo e prosecute omo ntino mo de ebeye campaign atomo am say mo pese mo be take revenge da bia ba say Ghana fo take mo serious mama nkasa say mbra nwo bia de ani na adi na mmom no mo nso mo ba he mo accountability bia say mo ye say mo ye wie na se mo se nipa we wa cause damage we dis ka mo print na mo fa enye billboard embo bokrom mo fa bi megu internet ne so na ehu se nipa we bone we no di ene sa na NPP fo behu se Ghana fo behu se NPP fo mo ntri no fine na nya revenge na mo take na se mo de tuma no se yenso ye ba ye be ye se na kire se corruption ye ntu ase na is NPP na NDC no mo de ya adwen di agro Yankopon I think that this is the time of say corruption ase etu Ghana ha no because the NDC for any abre no mo se nkofo omo di Ghana sika essence as omo jeli omo no sa na me sure say NPP for so bo mo beye it is NPP for wa be mo beye steady because omo is NDC for so bo mo chi omo ti gala your friend say corruption ne de yame asesa no betu e wo Ghana ha rade e da wase tinana janto abodia and me dibi to aso be supporting the 100% eye pass on boni pedua because Ghana from penny for na bro
na Ashanti region hanom na edis for ntimi huhuna MPP for do wo me kakra bi o say ba takashi
Joseph Yami here regional secretary say abano bi beto half that's
etina I say ehu ewo o say Ashanti for in nature no
Pemoja
they have something to lose.
Okay.
They have something to lose.
Because they have properties.
Exactly. It's in any way they don't want to involve themselves in. And it's the idea with the Monfanko. Now me here. And I say me bomb name just on the phone. They say we only a cow so. But because they have something to lose.
Yeah. That's what I say.
But what I say, it's too there to trust something say in a bar. They want to avoid
it.
Exactly.
They are there to trust them, but so be
only.
What you say?
So it won't to me no buy no. And no day be wura de say that be. Ye try kru mu anu ne hwe man gofo mitwi fire so. Okay. And what foremost are invisible and data force. This are invisible and data force no. Ebe boam until 2016 e easy man PPT me win is elections. Okay. The patrol the mamindi masem.
Mengazayo.
And the boama
as a BɛBre the culture of silence.
Exactly. And now, Usha, sa data force na you know, almost disbanded, you know. And it's here MPP 2024. The time omunina ba say, to avoid sa vigilantism na that you know. And before no etumrika egu omode.
Ben is anye.
And is anye. It's these 2024 elections, you know. Time MPP ani ba mo so no. Then this for not to squad na gum. Also so je ni kro to krom so mji to no kura de bosu je ni ku no. Also bosu ja for two oh bosses so be kaya. So mo say now as I want to me afi de no kro nkwa Ashanti region or ba national. Ono so na ni etin. Ti za kwa no ye man kwa no be national chairman dia. E be dia ma NDC. Because a Bob Mugamua obetum edi omudi ase ani. Gonya brofo no kaka no. And now no sa Wontumi no so no. What says wahwe na? Opem pipi no. Opem pipi ni pa. It is wahwe the media stations never be no. And now advert bi na de bi na ode ye wo no mu. MPP nsem na no de. Baba to what I say. It is I say he love MPP. It is also ade a open no. I say Kenya Japan. Opem pipi pa. But it do be a na ono o pade no mane broso
just o pese o mu ye bibi no o mu nya
na on tene wase so na bi o manage ni no akoye ayi so da meche no sana o mu ye ni na o mu pe enti o be hwa kana Japan emre bi atwa mu no na ka mu tata ne pa bu wase ko ye bi ayi ni ache no ba edu ba bi no say ya obso abewura ni mu nse ase ono akwati mi cast bi na damage party na owo mu no then this one so pen no sa they say no woman moral support so who the measure no it is Wontumi na aka na o target I say Wontumi silence na one silence MPP that's why I was saying I was so happy say party no anti da mo say no ya twe Emma Wontumi nko because asem na eba na Wontumi nko now the party is coming to themselves say target no nya Wontumi na target no dem mo party no te yi Wontumi free on ma daka yina yemura the 2028 election so there there's possibility say MPP bet me win election.
Never true.
MPP kwano you don't need to work too much for 2028.
Really?
I'm being honest with you. Masa I say kumanete. I MPP omo ni so mo eduma bebrebe. Ade MPP hia ne say opoma mo say no omutum no makasa. Na ya odie bi omumu no. Efiri omumu. So just say Kofi Senya no money ade mu no. They have to find a way
to reach out to them.
To reach out to those people. But what them say because almost stakeholders when it comes to
the basis.
Almost can be a go footie. Then go phobia they feel so much. If they are able to do that, MPP will not need to work too much to claim power.
Are they?
Now then NDC by my we got to almost.
Really?
Yes. Yeah. So what another who send NDC be there. Then unim dia work because NDC knew who I want to this for their break Ghana for. I want to Ghana no.
This year.
What you say? Who the MP so much